Welcome back, students. On behalf of Mr. Vanderloot and myself, we hope that you've had an enjoyable summer. We would like to give you some updates on some of our attendance procedures that we have improved at Cascade High School. It is extremely important that you are here every day and on time for each of the classes for many reasons. 1, it's very important to all of us that you are safe. 2, when you are late or absent, you miss crucial material for each class and it is very hard for you to make up. And you are also holding up some of your classmates. 3, we are also preparing you for employability skills after you leave high school. And employers expect that you are on time and attend daily. However, we also understand that there are times that you are sick, have appointments, or have car issues in the morning. All that we request from your parents is that they call the school as soon as they know that you are going to be late or absent for the day, as we want to make sure that you are safe. Your parents can call or email school 24 hours a day, 7 days a week to notify us for the situation. If we have not been notified why you are late for any of the 6 class periods, or why you are absent one period, multiple periods, or for the full day, your parents will automatically receive a notification, whether by email, phone, or text message, regarding the unresolved attendance issue for that day. Again, it is our goal to make sure that you are safe. It is also very important that you sign in the main office if you arrive after the school day starts, and sign out of the office anytime you leave school before the end of the day. Failure to properly sign in or out will lead to an unexcused attendance issue, as it is very important that we know your location for your safety. Also, I just wanted to remind you that Cascade High School is a closed campus. You are not allowed to leave the building, including lunch, or go to the parking lot unless you get permission from the office. If you have any questions on any of these topics, please feel free to stop by and see one of us in the main office. We feel very strongly that students need to develop good habits with regard to attendance. As a result, we will be posting attendance and tardy information on your final transcript starting this school year. Again, we want to welcome you back to the 2016 school year and hope that these attendance guidelines will allow for better communication between students, parents, and the school.